Ford made a series of announcements this week at CES for connected cities and cloud-based transportation services, but its association with Waze can have the biggest impact on drivers at this time. The automaker said Wednesday that the traffic application will work with the 2018 Ford and Lincoln models equipped with the Sync 3 infotainment system and a smartphone. For most Waze users, the Ford system retains the key features of the application, such as navigation, traffic updates and warnings, HOV lane support and the new Talk to Waze feature. Ford, of course, found an attack with Waze, however. Traffic enforcement is best known for crowdsourcing to get people out of congestion, road hazards or other speed reductions, and the automaker is adamant about connecting drivers and cities better to improve transportation for everyone. At least, Waze users no longer have to grope their phone while driving and can hear alerts through the audio system of their car equipped with Sync. At CES, Ford also boarded the Amazon Alexa train, announcing the Ford Plus Alexa application for Sync that allows drivers to use skills through the assistant. Ford says it will issue an update for Sync in the coming weeks that will allow Waze users to plug in their smartphones and use the app through the touchscreen or voice commands in the car.